my god, guys, so look, this little bird fell out of his nest. I'm gonna grab it and try to see if I can put it back on his nest. Oh, look at this baby bird. It's so cute, guys. I just found it. It's a little nest. It's in our area where we have we actually had this bird nest on our light, so we are trying not to turn our light on until he gets older, so we can remove the nest and put it somewhere else. But for the meantime, we're trying for the baby to get older, but it seems like he felt, so I'm gonna try to grab it and put him back with my gloves. Baby bird fell off, so we're all rushing to see it. Look, it's right there.
Pick it up.
No, I'm gonna pick it up.
Pick it up before it gets hurt.
Hannah, what do you think about the baby bird?
That's so little. Can I pick it up? Because I have to.
No, I have to do it very gentle because he's very soft. He's very soft, so no one can touch him, okay?
Look, look.
No one can touch him.
Only
He's very
mom
soft.
can because.
Yeah, we're gonna try. I'm gonna put the ladder on and I'm gonna pick it up.
So cute.
So are you
Look at it. So cute.
Watch me.
Move
Oh,
the-
see, he just moved, guys.
And this is our
I'm gonna
second
remove the
time
things around him.
something. Because there's like glass around him.
I'm gonna try to move it with the leaves.
Oh. Last time. Oh no.
Very gently.
Don't move it with the leaves. We
No,
rescued a
because I
baby
think
for an hour.
He's so tiny that I don't want to hurt him. I'm gonna try to
So cute.
move it gently.
Oh, he has some fur. Mom needs to concentrate.
Put your hand under it, maybe, so it doesn't fall.
There you go. We don't want him to baby bird. See? He's still alive.
Look,
and
he's
still
asleep.
fine.
He's asleep.
Sleep.
He's asleep. He just fell accidentally.
I'm gonna put it in, okay? So guys, here's the baby bird, and I hope he's fine. We'll check in a few days to see how he's doing, but there you go. He's moving. He's
So she's gonna
fine.
use that to go up
He's just like a newborn. He's probably like born like at least a day ago.
Yeah, he's really cute, guys. But
He has
we're
a
gonna put
little
it
bit of hairs, not too much.
All right, let's
He's
put him back
bald.
to see if the mama bird comes back.
Yeah.
Oh, he just woke up.
My dad will just stay outside to check.
back. I put him in there. They're all hungry. They're all moving.
My dad actually come up with the idea to put a Luigi's ice cream box.
I'm trying to figure
Guys, so I put this little bird here. As you can see, he's one. There are 3 birds. I hope he's safe and sound. But as you can see, they felt. But look how cute they are. Alright guys, I did my best to show you where they are.
Oh, one right there. Mom.
So we're hunting for worms so we can give the little birdies worm.
Where is it? I lost it right there, right there. Okay. Hannah, trap it. Move the log.
Hey, watch the birds over there. See if they go.
Dad, we're trying to get a worm. It's right here.
We're helping the mama bird.
Look, she's going back.
She's coming
There's one
back.
right here. One right here. Wait,
I'm
I
hoping
see
that
one.
she can go. There's still space, but she has to go through that side. Alright guys, as you know, we are trying to find some
Oh, I
worm for
found
the
I have it in my
help the mama.
grasp. I have
See, they're right there.
So
I have it in my grasp.
Amir, they're trying to.
so we found this
Wormy.
and don't get too close. We're gonna
We're gonna try to feed this to the
go
baby.
to the baby first.
We're gonna have to cut with a stick, but
Bunny on the back. Well, our backyard is like a forest for animals. Look at this. Let's watch him what he does, guys. Interesting. Oh, he's eating. He's eating. We all are very quiet, watching him do. I think if we keep ourselves still, he will be watching. He won't even notice us here. Don't worry, I have taped all this. And guys, I hope you enjoy our video today because it was quite interesting. From our falling bird. Yeah, wildlife right in our backyard. How nice that is. Yeah. Oh my god, he's so cute. Ah.
Go back.
Guys, he's a cutie. Look at that. We're closer.
I've been looking for these.
He's tiny.
I want to go get him a carrot.
He's a tiny bunny.
My dad's gonna try grab him. No.
Alex, what do you have in your hands?
A carrot.
Carrot. So he has a carrot to see if we can give that to the rabbit.
Alex, don't put the full carrot.
Yeah. Well, maybe just, I don't think he's gonna come and eat it from your hand, but we can leave it somewhere there so they can come and eat it. Right, Hannah? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy our video for today, our wildlife in our backyard. We rescue a bird.
Alex.
We saw a nice rabbit that we are giving him carrots. And now we're gonna go say goodbye, guys. Say goodbye, please. We're gonna end up our video. Bye.
Bye. Right now we're going on the swing. Well, I am.
Wild girl.
Yeah. But look at the whole family of bunny. Wait, guys, I want to show you something.
The bunny family.
Then it'll eat all of them. This is